Believe man tayo kay Marcos. No problem about it. Marcos is good. Give it to him, the honor. Marcos is excellent. Walang problema. We will agree para wala na lang gulo. Mas maganda kasi itong sense of belonging, actually. Mag-shortcut na ako. Mag-segue na. Alam mo, elections are coming in. Remember that lahat ng mga partido na pumunta kay Marcos, I'm not saying anything against it. It is good. It shows the markmanship, target ng ubusin kayo. Pero ang nagpaiwan kasi, ang talagang nagpaiwan, whether most vocal or in some places, silent. Pero nandito pa rin sa opposition, ang PDP. Yan. So, in a democracy, whether you like it or not, there has to be some form of dissent. Alam mo sa demokrasya, you define democracy. Sabihin mo lang, it's a system of government without dissent. And that is not democracy at all. Ang essence ng democracy is kung may gusto mong sabihin karamihan, kisihoda kung 1,000 kayo, magsabi ito, at may isang tao lang magsabi, hindi tama yan. That is democracy. But kung magsabi, that, hallelujah, that is dictatorship. Kaya kailangan tayo, nandito man tayo ngayon sa, hindi man tayo identified. Well, you had your heyday. I was the president a few years ago, and I hope na nakatulong ako sa inyo personally. But if not, then I hope that you'd recognize my effort really to just run government in a most regular way. Huwag na yung extraordinary. Regular na lang tayo kasi yun naman ang kaya natin. So, nandito tayo uli. Nandoon lahat. Nandoon lahat ang partido. At alam ko matutunaw yan. At the end of Marcos' term, magre-regroup pa yan. Mag-aaway pa yan. While ang PDP, established na tayo, wala na tayong pag-aawayan. Yan ang totoo. At wala tayong sinusunod. Believe man tayo kay Marcos. No problem about it. Marcos is good. Give it to him, the honor. Marcos is excellent. Walang problema. We will agree para wala na lang gulo. Alangan. Pero, well, wala naman, as it is, wala namang masabi. Otherwise, I'd be the first really to shout. Yung wala namang abuso si Marcos na ano. For as long as he maintains his yung ganong ugali niya, okay lang. I think that I can live with him. I can bed with him. But wag lang yung kagaya noon na may mga abuso, then there is favoritism, lalo na sa military. Sino lang ang papasok na gusto nila, military yun. Walang iba. Ayaw pakialaman ang mga gago. So, yung mga ganun. For as long as government is run in a regular way, wala man tayong problema. Ako, I do not have any qualms against Marcos. Serious enough for me to speak out and say, Mr. President, we do not agree with you. Mr. President, you are wrong. And Mr. President, you stop it. Kasi hindi na maganda sa bayan yan. I have not reached that point. But kung meron akong hindi nagustuhan, out of respect, hindi naman, it does not really would go into the core of governance na walang, hindi masyado abuso. Sinisekreto ko. Sabi sa amo natin na alam mo, baka masobrahan. Ganon. Tutulong ako, pero in whispers, because hindi naman tayo sa oposisyon. But there has to be somebody on the opposite side. Ang tawag niya normally is opposition sa politika. Pero in a body politic, sa governance, in a democracy, kailangan talaga merong sa kabila. Because the checks and balance will come whether you like it or not. Because governance is not an easy thing. It's a gamot of so many things sa buhay ng Pilipino, ng isang community, country, na maraming problema, pasok-labas. And somebody has to attend to the problem, solve the problem, but then again, there has to be somebody which says that you are doing it right or you are doing it wrong. Because we have to protect the people of the Republic of the Philippines. Yeah. Yun naman ang role natin. Hindi mo natin masabi, Mr. President, Mr. Marcos, I do not agree with you. You correct yourself in 1 month, otherwise we go to the rebel side. Hindi pwedeng ganun eh. Democracy is a checks and balances. So you check and you balance everything. And it is up to, nandiyan nga yung press freedom. What would carry the voices of yung administration, pati yung opposition, would be the freedom of the press as guaranteed. At importante talaga yung press. Whether sometimes they are biased or not, but you have to give them the highest of respect because they carry the voice of the people, whether it is in the minority or the popular side of things. That is how it works.